Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your ride invoice on the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your ride invoice. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Activity in the bottom middle side. Afterwards, click on the ride which you want to go ahead and find the invoice for. Now, on the top middle side, click on Invoice, and then this is where you're going to see your invoice, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your ride invoice on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.